Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the intraday for the gold here to see what happened and what it might happen next. So basically on the 15-minute chart, after this low, we saw it of course during the live stream. We have a 1-2, another leading diagonal, wave 1, and currently we are unfolding an A, B, and a C expanding flat as a potential wave 2, of course, for the second 1-2. In case, of course, we are bullish, 1-2, 1, and a 2. Of course, we're looking at the 1.618, 1.38 in confluence, of course, with perfection, I think, of a wave 2. Let's see. Yes, it is exactly the perfection for a wave 2 here, which can be, of course, very likely and very possible here, this blue zone to be hit again. And of course, as a precision, you would like to hit, of course, the fib level for an expanding flat wave C. And inside it, of course, we see, of course, a 1-2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished wave 3. Currently, you're working on the last wave 4 and a 5. For this impulse in a wave C, of course, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. After an A, of course, ending diagonal for a wave C, A, B, C. And then you have here kind of like a very fast impulse toward the upside as a wave B. A, B, and a C very extended, and then moving towards the downside. And this is definitely not an impulse 1-2, because if it is, okay, it is invalidated anyway. So A, B, and a C is the level, of course, to be watched. And of course, we might move toward the upside. Now, signal that we are not bullish here is the 886, meaning, of course, moving deeper here and forming here formation of a wave ABC, where we are looking at A, B, and a C, and then moving toward the downside impulsively. However, very interesting here. If this is a wave C, the wave C has to be finished there. How can we count it? Yeah, so if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, well, can be, but the 4 has invalidated. So it cannot be an impulse. It can be something, definitely something else, can be W, X, and a Y, but very, very unlikely. Okay, because if this is a WX and a Y, that means, of course, we have to finish all of it WX and a Y, and having WX and Y in a bigger WX and a Y is very, very low probability. Therefore, of course, highest probability here that we topped exactly as a wave C over there, and we have an A, B, and a C towards the downside for a wave 1, 2, and we look for continuation for higher prices for the gold. That was it for the gold intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.